go. Good spot.
Be ready, Matt. Be ready. What do you want? Pass ball. You might get there now.
Be ready. Be ready.
Come on, Lester. Come on, Lester.
Wouldn't allow that one. Very good.
Hit one. Going on the base hit now. Come on, Justin. Come on now.
Carson just did that for me, I think. He had bases loaded. He hit his first home run of the year, and he drilled that one. He crushed it. He's got a smile on his face now, guys. Way to go, Carson.